Okay, the course title of this is called the Second Language Acquisition. Okay, and so the aim of this course is to provide students with an up-to-date overview of the area concerned in second language acquisition and explanations of the terms used in second language acquisition. Okay, and about the teaching materials we are going to use for this whole semester is named Second Language Acquisition, written by Rod Ellis. Here, Rod Ellis. Okay, so everyone, you have to buy this book. Okay, so we are going to use this book as our textbook for the whole semester. And then there are some reference books that maybe you can use for this second language acquisition course. First is to Understanding Second Language Acquisition, also by Rod Ellis. And then is the Principle of Language Learning and Teaching by H. Douglas Brown. And the other one is the Issues in Second Language Acquisition by Leslie M. Beebe. Okay, and there is no assigned book. All right, and then I would like to introduce my teaching methods here. Okay, the teaching methods for this whole course is by lectures, okay, or the group discussion. All right, and maybe some other activities in the class. And then next, I would like to introduce the evaluation. Okay, how I grade this course. For participation, there is about 30%, and then for the midterm examination, it's about 30% too. And the last is the final exam is about 40%, okay? So that's the whole evaluation system for my course, for this second language acquisition. And are there any relevant courses for this course? Yes, there is. There is one course named Children's Language Development. That would be our previous course, all right? Now, I would like to introduce the teaching syllabus here. So for the first week of the semester, it's an introduction chapter in which we are going to describe and explain L2 acquisition. And for the second week, it's also an introduction chapter. It also will describe and explain for the second language acquisition. And then the third week, we are going to cover the topic like the nature of learning language, and the fourth week is the same. And the fifth week is the interlanguage. So within the fifth and sixth weeks, we are going to introduce interlanguage, okay? And then the seventh and eighth will be our social aspects of the interlanguage. And then the ninth and 10th weeks will be the discourse aspects of interlanguage. And that will be our midterm examination. And after the midterm examination, there will be psycholinguistic aspects of the interlanguage. And more topics we have to discuss is on the linguistic aspects of the interlanguage. And the last will be the individual differences in the L2 acquisition. So that's the whole semester syllabus. Okay, so thanks for your attention.